Isa ka bang aspiring na online seller? Naghahanap ka ba ng thermal printer para sa waybill ng online shop mo? Then join me as I unbox, set up, and give an honest review ng isang affordable na thermal printer that I recently bought online. Let's go! Hi guys! Welcome back to another video. By the way, ako po si Rich and welcome to my channel. For today's video, samahan niyo po ako sa isa na namang unboxing. Yes, another unboxing. I think for this month of December, I'll just focus on unboxing products, cactus and succulents, or even food. And since I'm officially a Shopeaholic, let's just share the joy of unboxing. Pero in these trying times, hindi naman dapat na laging palabas lang yung pera. Dapat meron ding papasok. That is why I'm thinking of putting up an online shop. E medyo kailangan yata ng printer para sa waybill for different couriers. Now, if you're wondering why a thermal printer, kasi at least sa thermal printer, hindi mo na kailangan bumili ng mga ink. And yung papel na gagamitin mo is waterproof na siya at sticker na siya within itself. So, ididikit mo na lang siya sa package and you're good to go. Anyway, before anything else, let's do the unboxing!
Let's make this one. Let's make this one. Money.
So, eto na siya. May new MeBook ASIC thermal printer. Pero, upon checking, ang totoong brand and model name niya is Grozy TP730. Nakikita niyo ba? There, Grozy TP730. As you guys can see, talagang compact siya. And it came with a cable, the USB cable. And of course, the test paper, which is the thermal paper na A6 na size and sticker na rin siya. Okay, now if you also bought one, let me show you how to set it up.
Let's make this one. Money.
So there, it's that easy. Just make sure na before kayo mag-print, check the page setup and the printer settings para at least hindi masayang yung thermal paper. As for the price, at the time when I bought it, it was being sold for 3,108. Pero today I checked, I think binibenta na nila ng 3,200. But with some Shopee vouchers, I was able to get it for only 2,855. So kung gusto nyo makatipid, always make sure to use those vouchers before buying something, whether it be sa Shopee or sa Lazada, para sa added discount. So why this model? Well, aside from the fact na mura siya, I'm still testing the water kasi wala pa naman akong online shop. I'm hoping na makagawa ng Shopee na shop this week or next week. By the way, leave a comment below kung ano ba mga products na you're interested to see sa Shopee na wala pa doon. Kasi parang lahat ng products nandun. And hopefully, makabili rin kayo sa future shop ko sa Shopee. Mura siya compared sa other thermal printer kasi wala siyang Bluetooth. And yung ibang model, meron din siyang built-in na battery. But for me personally, and as a tip, stay away from those models na de-battery kasi syempre in the future hindi na maganda yung battery life nun, mahihirapan kayong bumili ng replacement battery. As for the verdict, I think this is money well spent kasi hindi lang naman siya sa Waybill mo pwedeng gamitin. Marami siyang pwedeng gamitan actually. Pwede kang mag-print ng mga labels, ng name tags, greetings, or kung ano mang idea mo na pwede mong i-print sa ganitong A6 na size na thermal paper. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on my future videos. Thank you guys for watching. Once again, it's your boy Rich, and I'll see you on the next video. And ikaw? Yes, ikaw! Gumawa ka na rin ng online shop at magbenta ka ng kahit ano. It's time to get rich!
Money.